Hello, welcome back to normal channel. Today we're cooking a Ghanaian spinach stew. I will call it like 𝙁𝙤𝙧 stew. Then a proper palm nuts oil from Ghana.
I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise.
Hello, I'm going to enjoy this food I prepared this morning. So this is Akple from Volta Region, Ghana. And I made this food with 𝙁𝙤𝙧 sauce with fish, dry fish, smoked fish from Ghana. So without further ado, let's enjoy this food. I like to talk to you guys while I'm eating. So yeah, so guys, I hope you enjoy this food with me. Okay, I love eating this amazing food. So bon appetit, bon appetit. Because I have a red oil, I need to make sure I don't stain my shirt. Oh, look at this. I hope you guys are doing amazing out there. I just want to let you guys know I appreciate you for taking your time to watch my videos. Without you, we can't hit 1,000 subscribers, 1,500 subscribers, and now we're on the way to 2,000 subscribers. So please share the videos, watch the playlist, keep watching the videos. It's very, very important that you keep watching. Are you hungry? Oh my god, look at this. Look at this spinach. So this food is actually prepared with, it's made with cassava and corn dough. Only banko is just corn dough, but Akple is made with cassava and corn dough. So there's no meat in this stew. It's all fish based. There's smoked herrings, smoked mackerels, I love fish so much. Maybe it's just because I was born by the coast. Please, can you do me a little favor? Can you let me know in the comment section where you're watching the video from? Or if you know anybody from Volta Region of Ghana, or somebody who's from a part of Africa that it's like this. Normally when I'm eating in the evening, I have like a gin or local drink, but because I work and it's lunchtime, I have to make sure I have this Schweppes soda water, tonic water. How hungry are you right now? I'm eating, but I'm still hungry. Oh, it's almost finished. This food is delicious. I think next time I need a grilled chicken or grilled lamb or beef in this stew, or maybe we should have okra soup with meat fish mix. Do you like eating mixed meat with fish? Please do let me know. That's the fish. Oh, look at that. There's a chili in there, which I'll probably buy. That's my last fish. You know what? I'll leave a little tiny bit of bangkong, no I mean akple, and I'll suma it. So that's my fish. My last remaining fish. I'm making sure my shirt is not staying because I don't want to change. Now that's my best part of this meal. It was amazing eating with you guys. Please like the video, comment. Let's hit 2,000. Please, let's hit 2,000 subscribers. I know you guys are amazing. Share the videos on YouTube. Let's make amazing videos. That's for you. For those who are watching but haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Nothing, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. Please subscribe now. Thank you. See you in the next one. Woo! That's for you guys.